My name is Music Phil. I've been in the business for decades now, from record shop to radio disc jock. We are at the lawns of Willie's That Roof, and this is Yardstyle Live presents. Yardstyle Live presents is brought to you by Willie's That Roof, Oasis in the city.
Willie's That Roof, Kingston, Jamaica. Oasis in the city. Willie's That Roof. Oasis in the city.
Hey Willie, what's for lunch?
Willie's That Roof, Kingston, Jamaica.
This week's performance on Yardstyle Live presents is Principle. Yeah man, big up Pananak, big up DJ Kenny, DJ Dan Kingston, the whole works. Right about now, this next artist I'm bringing on the stage, him just get him visa. Him not have to worry about nothing again. Him a go fly, him a go tour the world. I hope you go far and remember my little package. I don't want no soap or not like that in a big money. And that's my money I want. We can't get the soap them pan Shein and all of them place there. You see me? Right now, introducing to Yardstyle Live stage, Principle. The man was saying get him visa. Principle. Music Feel Reggae Show, Yardstyle Live. Ready?
Yes, I. Hold it. Hold it. Thank you to have me here. Music Feel and the whole works. Yardstyle. Saying, well, this is Principle representing. Where can you find Principle? On every digital platform, Principle Music. Sing, yeah man.
Sing.
Music is like a visa.
Stop. All right. Remember me tell you say, all when you walk down the road, you buck it too. I buck me too. Yeah, sing. Sing again,
right.
Make them hear.
Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia. Straight to Ethiopia, home of the emperor. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia. Straight back to Africa, home of the emperor. Yeah. Reggae music is our foundation. Culture music make the people stay strong. Play the rhythm and me sing my song. Oh, what an inspiration.
Sing.
Melissa Peter Touch and Bob Marley.
Yeah.
That type of music make you feel irate. So me listen to Brown and Mark my way.
Sing it again.
Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia. Straight to Ethiopia. Home of the emperor. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia. Straight back to Africa. Home of the emperor, yeah.
Hold on. Principle, hailing from the community of Rock Hall in rural St. Andrew. He has a sound influenced by the Banner family.
Run it. Yes, Principle, we love the reggae music so bad. We love the reggae music. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia. Straight to Ethiopia. Home of the emperor. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia. Straight back to Africa. Home of the emperor, yeah. Reggae music is our foundation. Culture music make the people stay strong. Play the rhythm and me sing my song. Oh, what an inspiration. Melissa Peter Touch and Bob Marley. Let up a music make you feel like.
Wheel. That song you now play, I have the Jamaica. Pananak. Them some music I will visa now. But that song you can't play on Pananak no further and come knock the place, man. No, you mean? Yeah, ready? Visa.
Yes, Principle, we love the reggae music so bad.
Just like that.
We love the reggae music. Listen. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia. Straight to Ethiopia, home of the emperor. Music is like a visa.
People, it's what them say about music. Music is like a what?
Visa.
Artists, sing.
Read them up. Yes, principal, we love the reggae music so bad. We love the reggae music. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia, straight to Ethiopia, home of the emperor. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia, straight back to Africa, home of the emperor, yeah. Reggae music is our foundation. Culture music make the people stay strong. Play the rhythm and me sing my song. Oh, what an inspiration. Me listen Peter Touch and Bob Marley. The type of music make you feel like Ray. So me listen to Brown and Mark my way. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia, straight to Ethiopia, home of the emperor. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia, straight back to Africa, home of the emperor, yeah. Me love the vibes of the music bring. Pass with the mic, make me dance and sing. Me fans them love up my voice and thing. I will joy with it. I will never give up on my career, no. So you can listen this message loud and clear. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia, straight to Ethiopia, home of the emperor. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia, straight back to Africa, home of the emperor, yeah. Me love the reggae music. Me love the reggae music. Come on. Music is like a visa.
Sing.
Travel Europe, Asia,
Sing.
straight to Ethiopia, home of the emperor. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia, straight to Ethiopia, home of the emperor, yeah.
Oh, you mean? Ja!
Rastafari, holy man while I Selassie
lives and reigns.
Ja!
Rastafari.
Blessed love.
Yeah, man. And you don't know.
Yes, sir.
I visa that, you know. The Banner family comprise of Pliers, Spanner Banner, Richie Spice, and Snatcher Lion.
You think of the sunlight in the day and the moonlight in the night. Fishes they're dancing and the rivers rolling by. There's still a blue sky, still another baby's cry. I wonder why some people sigh. Come on, life goes on, life goes on, life goes on, and every day another baby's born.
Don't worry yourself, them are load on the track. So you want me. Sing a next song. Cause remember saying, no, from last week Tuesday you upon. Yo, we can't wait for forward pan Yardstyle. I want to sing. Sing!
Alright. Every time you pass me by, always tell myself I want you. I want you, yeah. A girl like you should be with me and fulfill my destiny. Must be a blessing from the Almighty. You're gonna be my girl. No matter what the others say, you're gonna be my girl. I'm gonna love you more every day. You're gonna be my girl. No matter what the others say, you're gonna be my girl. I'm gonna love you more every day.
Principal has a positive message in his music with songs such as Visa and Jamaica Nice. Look out for this artist, Principal, with a wonderful voice and a positive message. Principal, the Music Feel Reggae Show, Yardstyle people, introducing to you again, Principal.
Yeah, man. Jamaica so nice. We're living in paradise. Oigo Yardstyle, got you. Oigo, Jamaica nice. You got no choice but to feel alright. Jamaica nice, come on, Jamaica nice. Say you got no choice but to feel alright. Jamaica so nice. Tell everybody, yeah, we are go party, we are go listen some Mali and the Congos, yeah, oh, hear the thing go, cause you don't know, we have the ground food, and that make Jamaican smile, yeah. Jamaica, smile, Jamaica, black, green and gold, Jamaica nice. You got no choice but to feel alright. Jamaica nice, come on, Jamaica nice. Say you got no choice but to feel alright. Jamaica so nice. Me know where some of them are say, but trouble everywhere. Jamaica is the best place to be. It is the only place for me love me ackee and saltfish. Like we born together like birds of one feather. Guide us eternal Father, Father, truth and righteousness, true respect for all. Come on, Jamaica nice. You got no choice but to feel alright. Jamaica nice, come on, Jamaica nice.
Jamaica Nice.
You got no choice, come on, the
got
music
no
feel,
choice.
but to feel alright. Jamaica so nice, yeah. Jamaica so nice, so nice, so nice. We're living in paradise. Oh, tell everybody
Jamaica Nice.
we love to party. From St. Thomas to Lucy.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, Jamaica nice. You got no choice
I tell you.
but to feel alright. Jamaica nice, come on, man. Jamaica nice. Say you got no choice
Double.
but to feel alright. Yardstyle nice. Hey, music feel how it go.
Put up.
Yeah, man.
Listen. Remember my voice insure, you know.
Yeah.
So you see when I say Jamaica Nice,
Yeah.
remember some I get some of my publishing. The only person when I do it to a KD filler, yeah? Give it something, buddy.
Hey, oh, oh, my mind, oh, my mind. Every time you pass me by, I always tell myself I want you. I want you, yes. A girl like you should be with me and fulfill our destiny. Must be a blessing from the Almighty. This one is for the ladies. You're gonna be my girl. No matter what the others say, you're gonna be my girl. I'm gonna love you forever.
This has been Yardstyle Live presents.